Reviews of the most exciting vehicles hitting the road. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a motorhome that blends the toughness and innovation Mitsubishi is known for with the luxury and comfort expected from a high-end travel vehicle. This is the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome, and it promises to redefine what it means to travel in style, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. If you're someone who loves the freedom of the open road, but doesn't want to compromise on luxury or innovation, then this motorhome is going to grab your attention from the very first glance. Let's start with the exterior, because that's where the Mitsubishi Motorhome instantly makes its statement. The design language is bold, aerodynamic, and futuristic, capturing the essence of Mitsubishi's DNA while elevating it into the luxury RV segment. The sharp LED headlights with dynamic daytime running lights flow seamlessly into the sculpted front fascia, giving the motorhome a commanding presence. A chrome-accented grille sits front and center, carrying the Mitsubishi logo proudly, while sleek body lines run across the side panels, creating a balance of elegance and muscularity. The high roofline not only adds road presence, but also hints at the expansive space waiting inside. Large tinted panoramic windows stretch across both sides, allowing plenty of natural light to flood the interior, while providing passengers with breathtaking views of the landscapes they pass. Mitsubishi has also incorporated smart exterior features like motorized awnings, an integrated outdoor entertainment system, and plenty of storage compartments discreetly built into the lower panels. With lightweight yet durable aluminum and composite materials, the build feels both sturdy and efficient, designed to handle highways as gracefully as it manages rugged camping spots. Moving to the interior, this is where the luxury factor takes over and truly impresses. As you step inside, you're greeted with a modern, spacious cabin that feels more like a high-end apartment on wheels than a motorhome. Mitsubishi has used a blend of sustainable wood trims, soft-touch leather, and brushed aluminum accents, creating a space that feels warm and inviting while remaining undeniably premium. The open-plan design allows for an airy, uncluttered feel, and the panoramic windows from the exterior carry through inside, giving passengers a sense of openness. The living area is fitted with plush reclining sofas that can double as sleeping arrangements, a smart entertainment system with a massive OLED display, and surround sound that turns movie nights into cinematic experiences. The kitchen is a highlight, featuring an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, and even a wine cooler, all seamlessly integrated into stylish cabinetry. There's a generous dining area with a foldable table that can easily transform depending on whether you're entertaining guests or having a quiet meal with family. The bathroom space is another standout, offering features that rival high-end hotel suites. You get a rainfall shower with mood lighting, a smart mirror with integrated displays, and high-quality fixtures. Mitsubishi has focused heavily on efficiency, meaning water filtration systems, energy-saving appliances, and solar panel integration all work together to make extended off-grid living possible. At the rear, the master bedroom is a true sanctuary, featuring a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, ambient lighting, climate control, and massive storage space. A skylight above the bed allows you to fall asleep under the stars and wake up to natural sunlight. Mitsubishi clearly wanted to ensure that every corner of the motorhome feels luxurious and thoughtful, with no detail overlooked. But a motorhome is only as good as its performance, and Mitsubishi has put just as much focus under the hood as it has on the design. The 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid drivetrain that combines a turbocharged V6 engine with an advanced electric motor system. This ensures not only powerful performance when needed, but also exceptional efficiency for long-distance travel. The motorhome offers around 450 horsepower, enough to confidently handle highway merges, mountain roads, and towing needs. The hybrid system allows for extended electric-only driving in urban areas or campsites, making it eco-friendly and quiet when you want to minimize noise pollution. A large capacity battery pack can be charged via onboard solar panels, external charging stations, or regenerative braking, ensuring maximum flexibility. Driving dynamics are surprisingly smooth, with Mitsubishi incorporating adaptive air suspension to provide a stable and comfortable ride even over uneven terrain. The steering is precise for a vehicle of this size, and multiple drive modes allow you to tailor the experience whether you're cruising on highways, maneuvering through city streets, or venturing off-road. Safety has not been overlooked either. The Mitsubishi Motorhome comes equipped with a full suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance, and a 360-degree camera system to make parking and navigation far easier. Advanced braking systems and trailer sway control also add to driver confidence. Technology throughout the motorhome is next level. Mitsubishi has integrated a central control system that allows you to manage lighting, climate, security, and entertainment through a single touchscreen or even via your smartphone. Voice control integration with AI assistance ensures hands-free convenience, while over-the-air updates keep the software up to date. Passengers benefit from multiple charging points, wireless charging pads, and ultra-fast onboard Wi-Fi, making it perfect for digital nomads or families who want to stay connected on the go. Mitsubishi has also incorporated biometric security, meaning you can unlock the motorhome with fingerprint or facial recognition, a futuristic touch that enhances both convenience and safety. Now let's talk about pricing, because a luxury motorhome of this caliber isn't going to come cheap. Mitsubishi has positioned the 2026 motorhome as a direct competitor to brands like Mercedes-Benz, Prevost, and Winnebago's top luxury offerings. The expected starting price hovers around $230,000, with fully loaded versions pushing closer to $300,000 depending on customization and additional features. For what you get in terms of design, technology, performance, and luxury, it feels competitive in the high-end motorhome segment. Mitsubishi is also expected to offer different trim levels, allowing buyers to choose between more minimalist setups for long-haul adventurers or fully loaded luxury editions for those who want every premium feature imaginable. So, in summary, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a statement of how travel and innovation can come together in one package. From its bold exterior design to the incredibly luxurious interior, from its hybrid performance to its cutting-edge technology, this motorhome checks all the boxes for modern travelers who demand more than just transportation. It offers freedom, comfort, efficiency, and prestige all in one, making it one of the most exciting releases in the luxury RV market. Mitsubishi has truly raised the bar with this model, and if you're someone who dreams of exploring the open road without leaving behind the luxuries of home, this could very well be the motorhome that changes everything for you. That wraps up today's review here on Road Roar. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews of the world's most exciting vehicles. Until next time, keep chasing the road